Let's draw photosynthesis together. First thing I want to do is I want to draw kind of a hamburger bun. And I want to do a double layer around it to show that the chloroplast has a double membrane like a mitochondrion. The next thing I want to do is I want to draw some thylakoid discs. They kind of look like poker chips to me. Draw those in while I'm labeling this. I want to draw a sun in my picture here, so let's draw a sun here. It's going to be crucial to the storyline here. Let's draw some radiant energy kind of going down to those thylakoid discs. By the way, I'll try to put a link below the video so that you can print this out if you want to. These are the thylakoid discs right here. Very good. Now, what I want to do is I want to show an input and an output, and I'm kind of running short on space, but plants need water. And that's part of this dependent light cycle side. And then they produce oxygen for us to breathe. Notice that there is hydrogen missing from this point to this point, and what happens is that some of the electrons and the protons are stripped out, and those electrons are excited in this first portion of photosynthesis, this light dependent cycle, and there are a couple of energy carrier molecules that are generated, NADPH, which is a niacin type derivative, ATP is also generated, and then those molecules are used in the light independent cycle called the Calvin cycle. Plants dig CO2, so they pull in CO2 into the Calvin cycle, and with the help of this energy, the output is quite impressive. Glucose, amino acids, which can make proteins. So we've got carbs here, proteins here, and then fatty acids or lipids. Let's say fats right here. So what I want you to notice, oh no, is that I've got a, oh my goodness, I'm doing this in Zoom, and so I've got this crazy background showing up in my video. See how the ocean waves are rolling behind me? Isn't that kind of weird? Weird. Okay, let's finish this, please. Notice that the inputs for photosynthesis are water and CO2. Water plus CO2 with the help of sunlight. Let's make a little sun right here. And notice that the products would be glucose. This is familiar to you right here, C6H12O6 plus O2 over here. So that is the photosynthesis formula. And if I can get my beach action to stop somehow, I'm not sure how to get that to stop. Anyhow, it's kind of funny though at the same time, isn't it? That's photosynthesis, and we're going to do another one of these for cell respiration as well. So stay tuned, amigos y amigas.